observes Kargil Vijay Divas on July 26, 2025, marking 26 years since the end of the 1999 Kargil conflict. The war began when Pakistani soldiers crossed the line of control and occupied key peaks in Dras and Kargil. In response, the Indian Army launched Operation Vijay to recapture the occupied positions. Conflict lasted over 2 months and ended with Indian forces reclaiming the heights. The war involved heavy disruptions. 527 Indian soldiers were killed and over 1,300 were injured. Kargil Vijay Divas is held every year to honor their service and sacrifice. This year's observance also reflects on recent military action. Operation Sindhu launched in May 2025. It came after a terror incident in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir in April, where several tourists were killed. In reply, Indian forces carried out strikes on an alleged terror infrastructure in Pakistan-administered Kashmir and parts of Pakistan. Unlike the Kargil operation, Operation Sindoor used advanced military systems including drones, guided missiles, and real-time intelligence. Reports claim 9 targets were hit within 25 minutes, marking a shift in operational speed and approach. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi, in his address, stated that India would act firmly against those involved in terrorism. He mentioned the creation of 2 new Rudra brigades, meant for rapid development and strategic response in high-risk zones. He highlighted that while the Kargil war involved traditional mountain warfare, modern operations reflect the military's adoption of quicker and more technology-driven tactics. However, independent confirmation of some details of Operation Sindoor remains limited. Defense experts link these developments to post-Kargil reforms. After 1999, India reviewed its defense strategies, improved intelligence processes, and introduced structural changes in command and coordination, which experts say may have influenced more recent military actions. As part of the commemorations, the Indian Army also held events to honor the families of soldiers who served in Kargil, including in regions like Sabarkantha in Gujarat and Satara in Maharashtra.